Welcome to part 2 of the crispy chicken adventure. So remember that chicken we went on a whole bus ride to buy? Well, it's finally time to turn it into something beautiful. We actually bought 3 packs of chicken, even though I forgot to show that in the shopping video. First things first, I washed the chicken properly with salt water and rinsed it about 3 times because we are not taking any chances over here, okay? After that, I transferred everything into a pot and started seasoning. In went my curry, paprika, chicken seasoning, salt, thyme, crayfish stock cube, fresh pepper, and some fresh thyme. Before anybody asks, yes, I skipped the onions. I wasn't making stew today. I just wanted to pre-cook the chicken before frying. Okay, while the chicken was doing its thing, I moved on to the flour. I poured some into a bowl and gave it its own glow. Added stock cube, curry, paprika, chicken seasoning, thyme, and a little salt. If the chicken is dressing up, the flour has to look good too. I checked on the chicken, gave it a good stir, and honestly, at that point, I was already impressed with myself. Everything was smelling amazing. Next step, oil on the fire. The moment we've all been waiting for. Then came the coating process. Every piece of chicken got covered properly because we're aiming for crispy, not patchy. Now for the best part, the frying. I carefully dropped each piece into the hot oil and stood there watching like a proud parent at a graduation ceremony. The sound alone was enough to tell me we were heading in the right direction. A few moments later, golden, crispy, crunchy perfection. Now be honest, how did our crispy chicken turn out? Did we nail it, or should I stick to taking the bus and leaving the cooking alone? Meet you all in the comment section.